To optimize the production of renewable energy, future wind turbine technicians need extensive experience in the operation, maintenance, and troubleshooting of wind turbines. Training begins in the classroom. The Nacelle Wind Turbine Learning Solution meets professional requirements for maximizing competency and employability in the wind power industry. The Operation and Maintenance course relies on a scaled-down replica of a commercial wind turbine nacelle to guide students step-by-step through theory and practical learning. Multimedia tools enhance understanding, while questions during and after experimentation help to assess knowledge. Teachers are provided with all answers to all questions. Students explore the basics of wind turbines and wind energy as they learn to transform wind into electricity. Then they study each subsystem and perform a variety of realistic tasks on the exposed mechanical drivetrain, the hydraulic braking unit, the electrical circuit, the control system, and more. Interactive simulations help students understand how wind conditions impact the production of electricity. Instructors can insert faults to test troubleshooting skills. Students are also introduced to alarm management, and an optional course allows a deep dive into connecting the wind turbine to the electrical grid. Additional courses cover hydraulic or electrical blade pitch control. Upon completion of the courses, learners are ready for employment and for contributing to the energy transition.